Whether you're a child outside playing with your friends or you're an adult working a vigorous job earning money for your family, there's one thing in common: shoes. Shoes are a vital part of everyone's everyday lives. Some people may see shoes as art, so they buy them for insane amounts of money, whereas other people may see shoes are just a piece of rubber that separates their foot from the earth. Regardless of where you fall on the spectrum, your shoes are bound to get dirty, so I have the remedy just for that. Today, we'll be going over the materials needed in order to clean your shoes, the steps to cleaning your shoes, and the benefits of having clean shoes. Now, let's brush into our next point. Before we start cleaning our shoes, it is important that you know the materials needed. Of course, as we all know, the first material needed is the dirty shoe that you will be cleaning. According to Nike.com, there are 6 vital ingredients in order to clean your shoes from home, some of which being baking soda, and white vinegar, and other various ingredients that are not needed to clean your shoes from home. In today's demonstration, we will be using a soft bristle brush, Dawn dish soap, water, and a towel. Unlike my method of cleaning shoes, there are various brands that have popped up over the years dedicated to cleaning shoes, such as Crep Protect, Jason Mark, and Reshoevinator. On Amazon's website, you can find the Crep Protect Ultimate Shoe Cleaner Box for $39.81. In comparison to my method, this is very pricey, but like I said, there is no one way to clean shoes. Now that we know the materials, let's dry our shoes into the next point. So before we clean them, I need to tell you that there is one universal standard when cleaning shoes. You need some sort of cleaning solution to clean the shoes. In this case, I will be using Dawn dish soap. According to ClassicCleaners.com, Dawn dish soap is a very useful cleaning product because it attacks oil-based stains such as grease and other outside elements. Additionally, I'll be using Dawn dish soap because it is cheap and very accessible to everybody in this room. With that being said, there are 2 things you need to do before cleaning your shoes that I've already done beforehand. Take out the laces and take out the insole. Taking out the laces preps the shoe and clears the shoe of obstruction and allows you to get the whole shoe's surface while cleaning it. After the preparation is done, the first thing that needs to be done is you get the shoe, run it under the water to get the initial dirt and grime off of the shoe. This preps it for the solution. After that is complete, you get the shoe, get the solution, and spread the solution on the shoe, enabling and in the areas that need cleaned. After that is complete, you can finally pick up your brush and begin brushing. But before you do this, there are two pieces of advice that I will give you. One thing I do is I put my hand within the shoe in order to emulate a foot so it stops it from crumpling when you actually are brushing the shoe. And secondly, brush in circular motions to create suds that will further deeply clean the shoe. So after you feel that you've brushed your shoe for long enough and you feel that it's clean, you can finally grab the shoe, put it under the water, wash off the suds and the dirt. But after this is complete, you may see that there are some areas in which you missed, and if that's the case, you just repeat the steps that I've set up to this point. So after the shoe is clean and the sud and the dirt is off the shoe is wet and it is dripping everywhere, so you need to dry it. So this is the part where you grab your microfiber towel, wipe the outside and the inside. After that is complete, it won't be completely dry, so you put it outside or near a fan for it to dry. Before you clean your shoes, this is what they will look like: dirty, old, and not even desirable to wear anymore. But after you use my method, this is what they'll look like: clean, pristine, and brand new. So now that our shoes are clean, let's spread our solution into our next point. Now that our shoes are clean, we're already feeling more confident and overall just better physically. According to BetterHealthTimes.com, there are a multitude of reasons in which you can benefit from having clean shoes. Some of them are financial benefits, whereas some of them are social benefits. But let's start with the financial benefits. As we all know, shoes are not cheap. They run upwards of $200 to $300, so ensuring that you are maximizing the longevity of your shoe is very important. And by cleaning your shoes religiously, this can be just the case. You can identify detrimental effects that would further leave you not being able to wear your shoes in the future. On top of that, you can benefit from cleaning your shoes socially. When you're meeting new people or collaborating with people that you might work with in the future, it is always important that you are looking presentable. And this is the way to do just that. Additionally, when you go in for a job interview, you would not go in with messy hair and in your pajamas, just as you would not walk in with dirty shoes. In situations like this, it's important that you make an impact on the people that are interviewing you. And again, having clean shoes can do just that. As we come to an end, let's relace our shoes into our final point. To recap, today we went over the materials needed in order to clean your shoes, the steps to cleaning your shoes, and lastly, the benefits of having clean shoes. So next time you, your daughter, your son, your cousin, or someone from your family walks in spreading the outside elements all over your floor, do not be scared. Come back to this speech and you will have your shoes clean within minutes. Thank you.